What's the meaning of associated? Associated. Associated.
Associated. Associated. Associated refers to the connection or relationship between two or more things. It implies that there is some kind of correlation or dependence between the entities involved. This relationship can be positive or negative, direct or indirect. Typically, when something is associated with another thing, it means that they are linked in some way and cannot be completely understood or analyzed separately. For example, smoking is often associated with lung cancer, the price of oil is associated with global politics, and certain colors are associated with particular emotions.